Another question. What self-improvement seminar for $2,000 have you dreamed of going to? What a great question. Do you know why that's a great question? Because Monday Movers is realizing that the version of me that you're seeing used to be super similar to the version of you that is in the mirror, which is I had no idea how money worked. I had no idea that people would go to junior college and then transfer into a better school. I didn't understand so many things, which is why my channel is What They Don't Teach You in School, which is why every Thursday I drop a new episode. And then here, I'm asking the general question, which is, what would you want return on investment for a work conference that, or a self-improvement session that you want to go to? Meaning, what motivational speaker, what seminar, what program would you want to go to if you could go to it for free? The reason I ask this is there are videos that I have done, which is ROI, return on investment, before you go. So if there's a $2,997 seminar, I'm not selling you that. You're going to sell little things that lead up to that. And then when you get the tuition, then you go. Because guess what? All the information of the seminar, that already exists on Chad and Steve's website, YouTube, which is why Monday Movers is such a impactful thing if this is the first video of mine that you've ever interacted with. Which is why it's super nice to meet you. Did you guys see the stand-up comedy for the top 13 business models for comedians to use so that way we can be full-time comedians? Pretty good, right? In addition to the top 10 tips for comedians to have as far as business skills.